Hello friends, in this video we are going to create a telecommunication agent. So for that purpose we are just creating an account on ElevenLabs Creative. So in this video basically I am going to tell you how you can create an account on ElevenLabs Creative. So as you can see we are into the Google and here we will simply search for ElevenLabs. Okay, you just need to open the first website and then click on sign up, accept all cookies, and here you can either use the sign up with Google option or you can enter your email ID or password, right? So here I'm just clicking on sign up with Google because I have already opened my Gmail account in this browser, right? So it will get the login credentials from there. So as you can see we are into ElevenLabs and it was super easy to create an account on ElevenLabs, right? This is the ElevenLabs dashboard. You can click over here and as you can see there are three options: 11 Creative, 11 Agent and 11 API, right? All these three platforms are somehow different. If you are going to create voiceovers, right, then you can use 11 Creative, whereas if you are going to create an AI agent, right, then you can use the 11 agents, and for API purpose you can use the 11 API, right? And as you can see this is our profile, and whenever you create an account on ElevenLabs then initially you get some free AI credits that you can utilize for production purpose, right? So as you can see here are my free credits reflecting over there, right? You can also go to the subscription to purchase the subscription, right? And as you can see in the left side toolbar there are several options we are going to discuss. Like first one is the text to speech, where you can enter the text and you can simply convert that text to a audio, right? You can create some good sound effects as well, and you can also create some good images and videos using the AI feature, right? And voice isolator is over there, voice changer is over there. For example, if you are creating content and your voice is harsh and you just want to smoothen your voice, then you can use the voice changer, right? You can also create some music for the background, right, for your videos. And speech to text is also over there, right? If you already have an audio file and you just want to get the transcribe of it, then you can use this feature, right? And if I come to the subscription part, then as you can see here are the free credits, and it is written over there you are currently on free plan, right? And there are two kinds of packages: monthly packages as well as yearly packages, right? And on yearly packages it is giving some discount as well, right? And this one is the free package, this one is the starter package, and this one is for creator and pro, right? In all the packages credits amount is somehow different. The first one package is having 10,000 credits, which we already have availed, right? And in the another package there are 30,000 credits. Next is having 1,21,000 credits, and the another one is having 6 lakh credits, right? You can create 3 studio projects, 20 studio projects, 1,000 studio projects, and similarly 3,000 studio projects, right? And if you scroll down then there are lots of another features also available. You can read them out, right? And you can choose a good subscription plan as per your needs. So this is how you can simply create an account on ElevenLabs. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.